make a video about persyang di partner. Good morning to you friends, kata pagman di perlong. How are you feeling Kumno? I'm fine, ngapiang. Why you don't go to office today? Palay biglang Leit office punta kasi. I will go after some time, nang sa Leit sa Japan. Okay then, see you later. To katayin sa siyampat. Okay, me also I have to go. To ngaro ngahablay no. What about you? Where are you going today? Japan pinlit siya may taxi. I will go to college today. Ngan siya college may taxi. At what time you will go? Kano ba siya pinlit? I will go at 9 o'clock. Ngan late kinday ba siya? Okay, I'll get ready fast then we will go together. To ngan crash wa tingin sa layang kan. Okay, fast. To kloi. What about you? You will go like this? Yes. Pipat pinlit kumne. Haon. Okay, let's go. To yang in. What do you want to be after your studies? Kualong ayu anda pila dep kijing puli. I want to be an IAS officer. Nga kwa banlong IAS officer. Oh, nice. Oh, sinutunan. Yes, I have exam on 27. How I gonna exam in Arbin after it? Study hard, sakriya kot ba? Thank you, Kublai. This is my office. Can I the office jong? Okay then, see you tomorrow. To katayin sa siyampat siya. Okay, have a nice day. To kasi bakman yipi.